ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine and very happy. I welcome you all to E. Samveda class 5th standard. Unit 1, Love for Animals. Dear students, today we are going to learn a beautiful lesson, Love for Animals. In this lesson, we have so many activities are there. So, before we are going to study the lesson, before we are going to study the lesson, we will do an activity. Here is an activity for you. Fill in the blanks with the name of animals. Okay? Are you ready? Okay? You ready? With your book, pencil and eraser. Let's start. Okay. Yes, look at this picture. Dear children, here is the picture is there. In this picture, some boxes are empty. Some boxes are empty. So we have to fill in the blanks and get the name of animals. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Let's start the activity. See, look at what is first one. What is that? O is there. Second box vacant is there or empty is there. We have to fill in the blank and get the name of animal. Okay, what is first one? O is there. Here is the answer. So I will show you answer. Okay. Yes. What is the answer? O X. What is the name of animal? Ox. Okay. Good children. Okay. Next one. See, what is the answer for this? Okay. Second one is COW, cow. Repeat after me. COW, cow. Okay, children. Shall I move next one? Okay. See, look at third one. See, what is the name of animal? Yes, here is GOAT, goat. Name of the animal is goat. Very good, children. Next one. What is next one? You have to find the answer. Yes, okay. What is next one? Horse. It's a horse. 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 Okay. Yes, shall I move next one? Okay. Can you guess what is the name of this animal, children? Yes, it is monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? MONKEY, monkey. Yes, very good, children. Yes, next one. Yes, what is the name of this animal? Yes, can anyone tell the answer? Yes, here is the answer. Yes, gorilla. What is the spelling of gorilla? GORILLA. Yes, repeat after me. GORILLA. This is gorilla. Yes, okay. What is next one? So what is the name of this animal? Can you guess? Yes, here is the answer for you. Okay. What is the name of this animal? Kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo. Yes, KANGAROO, kangaroo. Okay, children. Yes. What is next one? Yes, here is the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Can you guess? Yes, okay. Crocodile. Answer is crocodile. CROCODILE. Yes, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, children. This is the activity. Did you enjoy this activity? Okay, children. Shall I move? Next one. Okay. Yes. Yes. Name the use of these animals. You know that animals, there are two categories are there. One is a domestic animal and another one is wild animal. Can you guess what is the name of this animal? Yes, it's a cow. It's a cow. How does cow help us? How does cow help us? Look at this picture. Okay. Next. Yes, what is the next one animal? The ox. What is the first one answer? The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. This is the answer. Okay. Can you guess what is the name of that animal? Yes. Yes, your answer is correct. An ox. An ox. Ox plow the field. An ox plow the field. Okay. Yes. Next one. Can you guess what is the name of this animal? Yes. Can you guess? Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, children. How does it help us? How does it help us? Look at the first picture here. What is that? That is a cat. That is a cat. Yes, the cat catches the rat. Okay, children. Did you understand? Okay, the cat catches the rat. Okay, what is the next one? The dog. The dog watches over the house. The dog watches over the house. Okay, children. Yes. Okay. Yes. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. Yes, children. Shall I move next one? Okay. Yes. Look at the picture here. Okay. Next task is, fourth task is there. See, in this lesson we have so many new words are there. So many new words come across in this lesson. Shall I know the meaning of their words? Meaning of their words. Okay. First one is attracted. Attracted. First one is attracted. What is the spelling? A-T-T-R-A-C-T-E-D. Attracted. Yes. Okay. Look at this picture here. What is that? That's a flower. That's a flower. What is, here is an insect is there. What is that? That's a bee. That's a bee. So let's know the meaning of this one. Attracted, a feeling of liking somebody. What is the meaning? A feeling of liking somebody. See, look at this picture here. The bee is sitting on the flower. See, bee is sitting on the flower. Okay. Here are some examples are there. Attracted is used in these sentences. Okay, let's see the first one. Bees are attracted to the flowers. Bees are attracted to the flowers. Here attracted is used here. Okay. Why bees are attracted to the flowers? Because a flower contains nectar. Flower contains nectar. So that bees are attracted to the flowers. Shall I move next one? Okay. So here is a sentence for you. Here also attracted is used in this sentence. Okay. I was attracted to the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Have you seen Taj Mahal? Yes, it was wonderful monument of India. I was attracted to the beauty of Taj Mahal. Here also attracted is used in this sentence. Okay. Next one is ashram. Ashram. Next one is ashram. A place where hermits live. A place where hermits live. This is the meaning. Hermits live. Okay. So look at the picture here. This is ashram. Look at the picture. This is ashram. See. Ramana Maharshi lived in ashram. Raman Maharshi lived in ashram. Here ashram is used in this sentence. Ashram is used in this sentence. Ashram. Look at the picture here. Okay. Next one. My friend visited to ashram. My friend visited to ashram. See here, ashram is there here. The ashram is used in this sentence. Okay. Shall I move next one? Okay. My friend visited to ashram yesterday. Here, ashram is used here. Okay. Next. Next one is interesting. What is the meaning of interesting? A feeling to know more about something. A feeling to know more about something. Okay. Yes. Look at the picture here. Have you seen this picture? Yes. What is that? It's a Taj Mahal. What is that? It's a Taj Mahal. Okay. Here the story is interesting to read. The story is interesting to read. Here interesting is used in this sentence. Do you like to read the story? Yes. Almost all the children like stories. Okay. Next one is sentence is there. The Taj Mahal has interesting story. The Taj Mahal has interesting story. Here the interesting is used in this sentence. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, children. Shall I move next one? Okay. Next task is fifth task. Let's watch the short videos on animal cries. Animal cries. Okay. See, look at the picture here. Here so many animals and birds are there. So many animals and birds are there. What is that? It's a bird. So many birds are there here. Dog is there, cat is there, and squirrel is there. Horse is there, and ox is there, and monkey is there. So cries of animals. Okay. The sound made by the animals is called a cry. Okay. Let's watch the video. Yes. Please watch the video. Yes. Before going to that, we have to use another word, cries. The baby elephant cries at the mother. The baby elephant cries at the mother. Here cries is used in this sentence. Okay. A child cries to get toys or ice cream. A child cries to get toys or ice cream. Yes, yes, task 5 is there. So here some birds are there and some animals are there. So this is what is that? This is a bird. This is a bird. Yes, the cries of bird is what? Chirping. Chirping means chew, chew, chew. Next one is, what is that? Dog. What is that? Dog. The cries of dog is bow, bow. It is what is bow, 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 bow. What is that? Can you guess? What is that animal? It's a cat. It's a cat. The cries of this cat is meow, meow, meow. Okay. Then monkey is also chirping. Sorry. Okay. This is about the cries of animals. Okay. Shall I move next one? For animals. Now I will read the lesson. Okay. Be careful and observe at me. Okay. Yes. 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 Please all of you open your book on page number first. I will read the lesson and observe me and I will explain this lesson. Okay. The school bell rings. It is 4:15 in the evening. Lucy and Nitin are returning home from school. They see a man walking with his pet dog. See, it is time is 4:15 in the evening. The Lucy and Nitin, they are friends. They are friends. They are returning from home to school. They see a man walking with his pet dog. Okay. The man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering by barking. Watching this, Lucy remembers Ramana Maharshi. Yes, the man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering by barking. Watching this, Lucy remembers Ramana Maharshi. Okay. Lucy said, do you know something about Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi? Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. This is the picture of Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. Just we have to watch this picture. Okay. Next one is Nitin. No, I don't. What's special about him? Next one, Lucy. Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. What is special about him? Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Okay. Can you tell me more about Ramana Maharshi? Nitin asked to Lucy. She said, listen, even animals were attracted to him. Even animals were attracted to him. He spoke to them just as we would speak with people. Speak with the people. Okay. Nitin, you means just like the man we saw talking to his dog. talking to his dog. Yes, look at the picture here. And is Nitin is Lucy. They are friends. The man is talking with his dog. The man is talking with his dog. Okay? Yes. Yes, he called the dog boys. He used to say, are the boys eating their food? What he called the dogs? He called the dog boys. Okay? Yes. Look at the picture. Ramana Maharshi. This is the picture of Ramana Maharshi. Next one. Yes, Nitin said, really? Lucy, yes. And he called the cow Lakshmi. He called the cow Lakshmi. He used to say, give Lakshmi some rice. Some rice. He called the dogs boys and he called the cow Lakshmi. That's why all the animals and birds attracted to him. Yes, Nitin, where did he keep all the animals? Where did he keep all these animals? Yes. Yes. These animals lived in his ashram. These animals lived in his ashram. He always fed the animals and birds first. He ate only after eating them. These animals lived in his ashram. He always fed the animals in his ashram. And birds he ate only after eating them. Yes, even birds. Lucy, yes. Ramana Maharshi called the peacocks by making sound of their cries. He called the peacocks by making their sound. Or cries. Then they would go to him and eat the peanuts, rice and mangoes from his hands. That's why all the animals and birds, they were in ashram, they were attracted to him. Okay, did you understand? Okay, children. Yes, this is about Ramana Maharshi. Yes, he loved animals. He feed animals and birds first. Then he ate only after feeding them. This is about Ramana Maharshi. Then animals lived in his ashram. Okay. Next one task is match the following words. Here A column is there, here B column is there. Yes. What is that? Says. S-A-G-E. Says. Next one is boys. Yes. Third one, cow. Okay. Storyteller. Fourth one is storyteller. Fifth one is friends. Yes. Here in B column, Lucy and Nitin, Lakshmi, Ramana Maharshi, dogs, grandmother. So you have to do one thing, match the following words or these words. Okay. Yes, can anybody match it? No. Yes. Okay. Now I will show the answer. Okay. Yes. Look at here. Says. What is the answer? Says. Ramana Maharshi is a sage. Boys. Dog. Because he called the dog boys. This is the answer. Next one is cow. Lakshmi. Because he called the cow Lakshmi. This is the answer. Next, storyteller. Grandmother. Friends, Lucy and Nitin, they are friends. Okay. Did you understand this one? Okay, children. Shall I move next one? Okay, children. Next one, the task is opposites of the following words. First one is more is there. Next one is remember is there. Third one is always is there. Fourth one is first. Fifth one soft. Okay. Can you guess what is the answer? Yes. Shall I show answers? Okay. More, remember, always, first, soft. Okay. Yes, answer is first one answer is more, less. More, less. Remember, forget. Remember, forget. Okay, remember, forget. Always, always, never. Always, never. Next, first, first. Then last, last. Okay, soft, soft. Okay, hard, hard. Okay, yes. These are the opposite of the words. More and less, remember, forget, always, never, first, last, and last one is soft, hard. Okay, okay children. Shall I move next one? Yes. Yes, comprehension, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Yes. Shall I ask question? Are you ready? Yes, okay. Where was Lucy and Nitin going? Where was Lucy and Nitin going? Can anybody tell the answer? Yes, here is the answer. Lucy and Nitin are returning home. This is the answer. Okay. What is next one? What did they see? What did they see? Can you guess? What is the answer? Yes, answer is they saw a man walking with his pet dog. He was trying to talk his dog, and the dog seemed to be answering him by barking. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. Now, third question is, where did Ramana Maharshi keep all the animals? Where did Ramana Maharshi keep the animals? Yes, here is the answer. Animals lived in his ashram. Animals lived in his ashram. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. Yes, here is the home assignment for you. Just I will give homework for you. Here is the home assignment. Write the opposite of the following words. Write the opposite of the following words. Yes. What is? First one is clever. First one is clever. Yes. Next one is stand. Next one is stand. And third one is long. Third one is long. And fourth one is big. Fourth one is big. And last one is broad. Last one is broad. Okay, children. So you have to do this activity at your home and show it your subject teacher. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Did you enjoy this lesson? Did you enjoy this lesson? Okay, you are fine and good. Okay, children. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for watching this video or video. Thank you everyone. Yes, myself Vishwanath Vasmani, working as an English teacher at GSPS Dantapur, Gurmetkal Taluk, District, Hadgiri. Thank you one and all.